Hello, pagdama. Basket number 9 natin guys, this one. Yung aking suot po ngayon. For basket number 9 natin guys, yung ating men's 2-in-1 boxer brief. Men's 2-in-1 boxer brief po natin guys, made of cotton material. Polyester na siya guys for a both soft and beatable fit. This boxer brief guys featured a dual function design. Guys, pwede to at perfect to for everyday use. Okay? For this one guys, for only 389 pesos. 389 pesos na ito guys. Kaya ano pang hihintay nyo? If I were you, I'm going to check out ito. Yan guys, come on. Last two. Last two items sold na lang po guys. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Mag-check out na tayo guys. For last two. Last two guys, last two. Come on. Wait lang. Last two guys, come on. Last two, magpapabribil tayo guys. Last two. Pag nag-check out ka ng sila ng tuba, wala ka ng suot. No. May suot pa tayo, pero guys, magpapabribil na tayo. Okay? Gusto yan, di ba? Gusto nyo? Ayan na, ma'am, bro.